Question number 4. Determine the smallest three-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. In this question number 4, first of all, find LCM of 6, 8 and 12. First of all, we have to find LCM of 6, 8 and 12. We will find by division method. 6, 8 and 12 we have to take, now divided by 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 6, again by 2 it is 3, it is 2, it is 3, again by 2 it is 3, it is 1, it is 3, and again by 3, then 1 and 1. Now what is the LCM? Here we can see LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 8 3s are 24 is the LCM, and we have to find the smallest three-digit number that is divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So the smallest three-digit number now here we have to write the according to 24, 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48. So we will find the multiples of 24. Then 24 fives are, you can see 120. So smallest three-digit number divisible by 6, 8 and 12 is 120. Now this is question number 5. Determine the greatest three-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. In question number 5, again we have to find LCM of 8, 10 and 12. For solving this, we will use division method. 8, 10, 12 divided by 2. Here you can see, first of all, divided by we have divided all the numbers by 2. Now we have to divide it by 3. Last number, it is 5. Now LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24, 5s are 120. Now we have to find the greatest three-digit number divisible by this. So greatest three-digit number is 999, but it is divisible by 120 or not. First of all, we have to divide it. We know 128s are 960. It is 39 remainder. So required number is 999 minus 39. Then we get 960 is the answer of our question. This is question number 6. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change at 7 am, at what time will they change again? In this question, traffic lights 48, 72 and 108. We have to take LCM of these numbers first. Divided by 2, it is 24, 36 and 54. Again divided by 2, it is 12, 18, 27. Again divided by 2, 6, 9 and it is not divisible. Again divided by 2, 3, 9, 27, both are not divisible. Divided by 3, 1, 3 and 9. Again divided by 3, 1, 1, 3 and again divided by 3. Now LCM is What is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times and 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. 16 3s are 48, 3s are 144 and 3s are 430. So after 432 seconds the well will run again. Question number 7. 3 tankers contain 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of diesel respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel of the 3 container exact number of times. In this question we have to find SCF of these 3 numbers, and SCF we can find by long division also. We have to find SCF of these 3 numbers to get the maximum capacity. So we will do it by long division. 403 divided by 434 banza 403. Now we got 31 and again divided 403 this, then banza 31 and 93. Now here 3 is a, so this is SCF of 403 and 434. Now we will divide it 465 again by 31. Now you can see 5s are 31 divide 465 also. So SCF of 403, 434 and 465 is 31. So our answer will be 31 liter. Question number 8. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leave remainder 5 in each case. In question number 8 we will find LCM of 6, 15 and 18 first. 6, 15 and 18 LCM we have to find. Divided by 2 we will get 3, then 15 remains same, then 9. Not by 2 it is not divisible. Divided by 3. Now again divided by 3. Now divided by 5. Now here you can see what is the LCM. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6, 3s are 18, 5s are 90 is the LCM. So required number is, here you can see in question it is written 5 remainder in each case. So we will add 5 in the LCM. So our answer will be 95.